Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is another unboxing video of Gorilla Tripod, a must have gadget for those who have started their YouTube career or have started vlogging or wanted a new tripod. So let's unbox this, and this product I bought it from Amazon as you can see, and it's kind of cheap thing but it is good. And for this frame, this product is literally big. And now let's unbox it. We have a thing. And just put this thing. Yes guys, we have it. See tripod, and we have nothing else. And it's a camera tripod, a basic camera tripod. And as you can see, now it's kind of fit in the frame. And let's open it. So I'm not damaging packaging, and we don't get any user manual or how to fit it, but yes, we get this thing, our mobile phone mount, and I will be using my phone to use this. So quality is really nice, and yes, the head is rotatable. And I don't know what this button does. This does tighten, so the quality feels very good. It does feel sturdy, and the rubber is also, plastic quality is also good. And so the product quality is good, and you can definitely purchase it. And the legs are also flexible, and you can mount this using this thing, and just need to just screw it like this, and then this will be mounted. And I know you will feel that it is not tightening, but trust me guys, this thing. And it also has a pan head thing, I just seen here, kind of pan head thing. Yeah, so you can remove this. And why this thing is giving this for tightening, I guess. And yeah, this for tightening. It can be more tightened than this, and you can use it via your phone. And the quality is, the spring used in this is good. And as you can see, and this is a simple and short review, not a review but the unboxing of this camera tripod. And hope you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you liked it, and comment down in the section below if any product you want to cover me in on this channel in the future. And I will see you in the next one.